Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of mine. We're doing this super simple holiday manicure. I think this is so simple, but it's even cuter in person. And the good part is anyone can do this manicure. So you want to start off by painting your nails with some kind of nail polish that I did use, and it doesn't have to be exactly the same that I used in this video. Obviously, you can choose to your liking and just adjust it, but I did use this kind of sheer pinky nail polish. But I love this sheer pinky nail polish, and yeah, just paint your nails with it. You can even go with some kind of like beigey nude shades. I think it will also look pretty. The next step is picking some glitter nail polish. I picked out this one. I think it's so cute. I love glitter and I love gold and silver glitter, but for holidays I think that glitter is a must. But now it's perfect time to check your collection and see all the amazing glitters that you have so we can use them. But I'm painting this all over my ring finger, or like my ring fingernail, and just making sure this is my accent nail. And it's totally fine that I have my base underneath. This is very pigmented glitter nail polish, so I don't really have to use my technique that is for glitter, because this one is packed with glitter. It works amazing. The next thing you will need is a tiny little nail tape, and you just want to cut it, making sure that you cut it a tiny bit shorter, because if you make it to be like exactly the same like your nail, once you apply a top coat over, it will lift it up. So it does have to be shorter than your actual nail, so that way top coat, once you apply it, grabs it and doesn't let it like pull up. So you see on my videos that my little like tapes are actually shorter, so that's how it's supposed to be. Trust me on that one, I know what I'm talking about. So now just you want to apply a top coat like you normally would, dry fast top coat, and you will see it even transforms glitter. I love that. I mean, this is such a easy nail design, but I think it looks so cute. It has that little bit of something on your nails. I just love it. I think it's so simple, yet it looks very pretty, and it can go with any outfit you wear. If you liked this design, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in comments, and never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!